the way that you're able to make money with airdrops in 2025 is a little bit different from what we were used to with the Arbitrum, the Jupiter, the Hyperliquid airdrop. So I want to go and talk to you and give you this other perspective, which I have found, and we're gonna go and see it in this video. So we jump straight onto the laptop, and as we see here, we are looking at a chart. Now this is the bubble map chart, and it is a crashing down chart, as you're able to go and see. And why do I say that we're able to go and make money with this one? Well, you can take advantage of the market crashing, and especially you can take advantage of tokens that are needless, like the bubble map token, needless token for the ecosystem and the purpose that the website had to serve, as well as we have, for example, the PEL one over here that launched today, down 74%. OIK down 52%. We got the other one, the DRB, down 47%. As we see here, on a complete downfall after a little bit of a price manipulation like a meme coin that it was, it just went crashing down. And these are all tokens that are listed. I'm utilizing Weex, and if you wish to come and trade with me, the link will be down below. I am partnered with Weex, but of course you can do this with like all the other exchanges out there. You can do it with Bybit, OKX, whatever you want. I like Weex because there is no KYC needed, so anybody of you can join, as I do have an audience worldwide. Anybody can join. I also share my course over on Telegram, free to join, no selling, nothing. This is all free. As we see here, also the profit, the calls that I do, etc., with the percentage, the calls as well as this course. So pick and choose whichever you want, but it is more or less the same. And as well, by partnering them, I'm able to give you a possibility of a daily spin the wheel, for example, like this one, a daily spin, which you can go and simply receive any reward from $1 upwards. We also have a welcome bonus for spot trading, and as we see here, depositor trade for $30 bonus, future transfer for $50 bonuses. Up to you which one you want to do. But as I said, you can do this anywhere already if you have another exchange. I utilize Weex, so if you wish to support me, link down below to come and join. But how do we go and make money off the airdrop? Because it could be a scenario like this, that if you go, and this by the way is no financial advisor whatsoever, this is my technique that I use. I'll switch over here for the order history, where I do profit. Yes, I traded with $1, I made 25%, 23 cents. Over here, $2, $5, some of them you lose. You gotta be ready for that. For example, here I lost $4, $8, made $5, etc. The more you play with, the more you can make. But one thing is to keep in consideration. Let's take, for example, two different token. DRB here, this one, it was a meme coin. As we see, it launched, it went down, it went up, it went down, etc. And then it finally went down, as expected, quite a lot. It wasn't expected that it would have gone all the way up. So the important thing is here, as I do it, I don't trade with the leverage crazy high, because this gives you very little possibility to go up and down. What I like to do is to trade between a 3 and a 5x only, and simply go as like this. As we see here, if I go and open a short now with a 4x leverage, this token can go all the way up to 1599, all the way up here, before I get liquidated. If you do take an advantage with the 50x leverage, for example, the maximum, here it just gotta go a little bit up and you get liquidated. That's why I don't like to play with high leverage. I prefer to do short leverage, small leverage, and then you build your money slowly. You make $6, then $6.50, then $7.20, then $8, then $9, then $10. And as that we go, between 3 and 7 tokens a day that come out in the perpetual possibilities and give you this possibility. Here today we had, for example, this one. And yes, you can also go and trade, for example, at the very early stages. What I prefer to do is also to go all the way up, maybe between 20 and 30x leverage to trade at the very first time that the candle is out. For example, in this case, yes, I do like to go 20x, because most of the time it is a drastic collapse down, and with a 20x you can make a lot of money. You can also make a lot of money with a 5x leverage, but this is completely up to you. Then if we come over here after the first or the second candles, we start to go more on the 5x, because there could be a rebound, and I always put a take profit mark, which is very important. Once you go and decide your position, here you can take the take profit TP on the long or on the short. I do this one and I add the return. I like to do a 15%. Why? Because I don't want to shoot for the moon. I want to do 15% now, 15% tomorrow, grow my wallet, grow the possibility that I have to make money, and then leave for tomorrow again, trade tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after. Yes, in the beginning, you're able to go and catch the first candle and you're able to be in front of the laptop 24/7, like I have the possibility to because I work from the laptop, then yeah, if you are catching the first candle, don't put a take profit, in my opinion. Simply let it ride, because here I could have put a take profit of 15, but as we see here, within the 5 minutes, it just collapsed. So if I just wait patiently 5 minutes from here, take profit would have been here, I would actually be all the way here, and then it kept on collapsing all the way here. So I would be in way more money. But if I'm able to go and enter, for example, here, I take the first profit here, and then I'm like, okay, take the money out, see where it goes. There will always be a little bit of a green candle. This green candle, I take the profit, and then I sell again. I open another short. In this case, the 5x comes into play. Then, depending whether it goes up or down. But the less take profit that you put, like for example 5%, more likely than not, you will have the possibility to receive it. You will have the possibility to go and make 5%, or you could also have the possibility to go and make 10%, for example. It is another option. Just pick and choose which one you want. But there are many ones, and we've seen it also here with PEL. We've seen it with OIK. We have seen it, and these are all tokens that are simply put out a token for no reason whatsoever, whether it is part of an ecosystem or like PEL today, everybody hated it. So what's happening now? Everybody goes and short them to destroy the token. Everybody goes and short them because there's no reason for it. Just like bubble maps. Why did bubble maps perform so badly? Well, bubble map performed so badly because their ecosystem, first of all, didn't really need a token. But if the token was given out to everybody registered, it's one way. This airdrop gave 2,000 allocation for their airdrop at a random selection. No criteria, no time of utilization. So the community was like, you know what, this is actually not something that I like. I will go and short it. And we've seen here, as soon as they launch, they've gone all the way down. So you just gotta be on Twitter, gotta understand. I tried my best to bring you the calls in my Telegram groups or the Discord group. You simply have to know which token is a little bit of a community hated token, and if it is a community hated token, everybody will go and collapse it. There will be a collapse within the first 3 to 4 candles, 5 candles. We see also here, this is on the 5-minute candle yesterday, 1, 2, 3, about 20 minutes of straight collapsing, and then it went even lower. So if it is a community hated token, do not do it. On the other side, there could be a community love token, which is a little bit more difficult to go and play. We also have, for example, the mint token, this useless ecosystem that is mint, was mint. I actually do not know. It launched all the way here. It had a nice green candle, and then from 10 cents, it is now at 2 cents. You understand that there is an 80% collapse in about 1, 2, well, this is the daily, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. You understand that the new way of making money with airdrops is that if somebody is completely hated, simply go and short it in the market. And that is how it works. So I hope you did enjoy it. It is no financial advisor whatsoever. This is a new strategy that we're playing in the market right now, and it does seem like it's working. But with that said, thank you for watching, and I see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.